Hey everyone, welcome back to dptutorials. In today's video, we will master the write function in Excel, a powerful tool for extracting characters from the end of a text string. Whether you are cleaning data or working with codes, the write function is a must-know trick. What is the write function? It returns a specified number of characters from the right end of a text string. The syntax is super simple. Equals to write, open the parentheses, text and comma, number of characters. Text is the string you want to extract from. Number of characters is the number of characters you want to extract from the right. Here's our simple data set of employee IDs, names and codes. Now let's extract the last 5 digits from the employee ID using the write function. In cell H9, type equals to write, open the parentheses, select the cell F9, comma, 5, close the parentheses and press enter. Drag the formula down to apply it to the rest of the rows. Similarly, in the cell I9, let's extract the last 3 digits from the department code. Use this formula as equals to write, open the parentheses, G9, comma, 3, close the parentheses and press enter and then drag the formula. This write function is super useful when you're dealing with standardized codes, extracting suffixes, parsing employee or customer IDs. That's it. You have now mastered the write function in Excel. You can use the combinations of write functions with other functions and create complex combinations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.